Gandhi Vadra is the latest to chime in, and she has asked what is the problem with hailing the constitution while taking oath. She's asking, can we not say Jai Samvidhan now? We have Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who is tweeting about it. So Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's tweet, and she says, क्या भारत की संसद में जय संविधान नहीं बोला जा सकता? संसद में सत्ता पक्ष के लोगों को असंसदीय और असंवैधानिक नारे लगाने से नहीं रोका गया, लेकिन विपक्ष संसद में जय संविधान बोलने पर आपत्ति जता रहा है। चुनावों के दौरान सामने आया संविधान विरोध अब नए रूप में सामने आ जा रहा है। हमारे संविधान को कमजोर करना चाहते हैं। So this is the reaction that is coming in from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. She says that the government, the ruling government and its leaders make all kinds of unconstitutional remarks, but now we are unable to even say Jai Samvidhan while the parliament session is on. So as you can see, it began with a number of members of parliament who took oath and made various political points. We heard Asaduddin Owaisi also, that was expunged. Now let's listen in once more to what happened when Shashi Tharoor took oath.
I, Shashi Tharoor, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan. Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan.
संविधान की शपथ तो ले रहे हैं, ये संविधान की शपथ है। किस पे आपत्ति नहीं, सलाह मत दिया करो। चलो बेटो, चलिए।
So we just witnessed what happened between Shashi Tharoor and the speaker, and then consequently between the speaker and Dipender Hooda. Sabyasachi remains with us. Sabyasachi, it appears that after the Hooda speaker face-off, there were some perhaps unsavory things said. What exactly was being spoken?
Well, absolutely. See, at that particular time, when Shashi Tharoor, the Congress MP, took the oath, he said Jai Samvidhan. And after that, the war of words clearly broke out between the speaker and the Congress leaders who were present out there. And that is the reason why Priyanka Gandhi Vadra today had questioned the intent of the government, stating that the government under the BJP rule would not, at this particular time right now, won't allow to say Jai Samvidhan. So clearly the war of words has escalated between both the political parties after that issue that we had seen happened yesterday. After Shashi Tharoor had taken the oath, we had seen that the war of words broke out between Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and a member of Parliament Hooda. And that particular time, the Congress member of Parliament also tried to attack Om Birla, but he said that at this particular time it is important to continue the proceedings of the House. Meanwhile, we are expected that the Congress leadership would also rake up this issue today inside the Parliament as well.
And Sabyasachi, could you also share with us details and what has been the reaction over the point that the speaker raised, which I believe was that he is already taking oath on the Constitution. He doesn't need to then say Jai Constitution also. Is that what the speaker's argument was?
Well, absolutely. See, the member of parliament was taking shapath of the constitution, and that particular time to say Jai Samvidhan does not make any sense, and that is what the speaker hinted. And that has not gone down well with the Congress party. The Congress party, in fact, told the speaker that he should not have any sort of objection to it. To that, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla clearly said that it is not the duty of the member of parliament to tell him what is right or what is wrong. And clearly after that, we are seeing that the Congress party had come down heavily on the NDA government, stating that under the NDA government rule, now it is difficult to say Jai Samvidhan as well. See, from Lok Sabha Speaker point of view, he was right when stating that when you are taking shapath of the Samvidhan, then to say Jai Samvidhan is not required.
Right. So that's what it was, viewers. Sabyasachi, I thank you for sharing all these details and the inside story of what happened with our audiences. Viewers, we are expecting a fierce face-off in Parliament today. It's going to start any moment. We'll be back with more news and updates. Slipping into a short break. Stay with us.